Good day, colleagues. Our next topic is the Coffer Blocks or Shaft slab. So, as you can see, we have got that drawing as you see on your screens. The size of our slab is 6 meter 320 by 3 meter 460, and then its thickness will be 100 millimeters thick. So you combine your measuring list. Of course, you measure your slab, that is the concrete on slab. You measure how much shattering you need for your formwork. You measure the concrete in beams, and then you also need to measure the formwork in beams. And thereafter, the last step would be the reinforcement. So when you measure the concrete in slab, you need to take the length of the slab, the breadth, and the thickness of the slab, as you can see on the plan. And thereafter, you do the formwork. When you measured our formwork, we just need the decking, the actual concrete that is underside of the slab. So we took that length 6320 minus 2 times earring beam minus intermediate beam, and then minus 6 troughs. It's going to give us that 4 meter 800, and then on the breadth it's minus the 2 times e beam each. So we booked our dimensions accordingly. Once you are done with that, you need to now calculate the ring beam. So in your ring beam, you need to first know the volume of the concrete. The volume of the concrete, you need to determine first the center line. So there's the center line of ours. You add your length, your breadth times 2, and then you subtract 4 times the thickness of the slab. It's going to give you that. And then you can book now your volume of concrete you need. So it's going to be the center line by the width of the beam, by the depth of the beam. Once you are done that, you also need to measure the formwork for the ring beam. So you take the outer side inclusive of the slab. So it was 100 plus 200 plus 200. Then your underside is 230. Your inner side is 4 times is 400. So you add all of that up because you need to know how much shattering will you need. Once you are done with that, you need now to measure the intermediate beam. So our intermediate beam, we've already got the dimensions for it as 5.86. So you book the dimensions for your intermediate beam. And then once you've done with that, you can book your formwork. As you can see on the calculations, then you move to the volume of concrete to troughs. There is it. And then the formwork to troughs, as you can see. And then you do your reinforcement. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.